Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at Bodmin railway station and I'm on my way to pick up a bike. I have to go to Southampton. It takes 4.5 hours to get there from here, and then I'm gonna ride my new bike all the way home in yellow weather warning torrential rain for about 4 hours. So let's go have some fun.
Bodyboard between the red and yellow flags, and if you're learning to surf, stick between the flags.
Otherwise, you may have to pay a penalty fare.
This is the wettest journey I've ever done in my life. My boots are filled with water, like full up to the brim. No waterproofs, I'm a fucking idiot. I'm gonna go get a coffee. See if I can make myself feel a bit better. Hello, welcome back to the green sofa here in sunny Cornwall. Still here, still haven't moved yet, back to London. House is taking a bit longer than expected. Sorry I've been gone for a couple of months. Lots on my personal life, work, like that. Haven't had much time to update you or do any videos, but lots and lots has happened since I posted my last video. The Royal Enfield's gone, sold. I bought a Sportster as well. That's gone, sold. And yeah, now is a new series that I'm gonna be doing. Exactly the same as like I did with the Royal Enfield. But this time it's gonna be on a 2017 Harley Davidson Sportster Iron 883. We're going to be customizing, going on adventures, doing some rides, having fun really. So I picked up the bike yesterday from Southampton. Got absolutely soaked on the way home. I wanted to film my adventure, but most of the way home, yeah, I got so soaked that my phone stopped working and it was like liquid damaged. It's all right now, I'm filming now, but couldn't film the ride back because it was too wet. So you saw a bit of that, me collecting it. I bought it privately. I got it at a very good price, I think. So yeah, now it's back here. I got back last night about 8 o'clock. And yeah, today is a new day. You know me, already got lots of parts. I'll show you what I've got so far. New headlight fairing. That's gonna go on the front. Some grips from Vans Colt collaboration. I love these grips. I've used these a few times. I think they look really cool on that kind of style of bike. And all the way from the US, TC Bros, I have a club style LED front headlight. It's going to be much brighter than the current stock Harley headlight. So yeah, a lot safer, looks cooler on the newer style bikes. And last but not least, some beautiful club style T-bar window kind of bars. Yeah, they're gonna look sick. So the plan is to go all blacked out with this bike, kind of club style, like you see the diners. Yeah, so lots to do, lots more parts on the way, lots of fun to have. Hopefully you guys will stick around. I know it's not going to be Royal Enfield content anymore, but it's going to be very similar content, but with a Sportster this time. And then maybe I'll end up selling this one and we'll do the same again with another bike. Basically, it's my favourite thing to do. Getting a bike, customising it, riding it, having fun, and then doing it all again with another one. Yeah, I got the Royal Enfield to where I wanted it. I really enjoyed that bike. It was a fun bike. I had my fun. I did a big trips to London and back on it. But it was time for a new one. In one of my previous videos, most of my friends around here ride Harley Davidsons, so I kind of felt a little bit left out rocking the Royal Enfield with them lot. And as I've said before, I've always been a Harley guy. This is actually going to be my 6th Sportster that I've owned. I've had 6 of them, which is pretty crazy. Yeah, I love these Sportsters. They just feel so good. And they're not the fastest in the world, they don't handle the greatest, but it's just something about a Sportster. The Evo engine is just my favourite engine that's ever been produced. You just feel so cool on it. It's got that deep, nice rumble, cruising along on it. Yeah, you can't beat it. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this series. Thanks for sticking around, and yeah, let's go have some fun. Bars off first of all, and then start putting things together. This was supposed to be a plug and play, but it's obviously not. And that is nothing like that. Actually, I'll take that back. I just pulled that out of there, and that's that really, isn't it? Sweet. Alright, I just plugged it in. Let's see if it does anything at all. just switch it on. That. Oh, there we go. Okay, wow, that's bright. Jesus. And then in theory, got a high beam somewhere. There it is, high beam. Oh, nice, there we go. Low, high, low. That works. Sick.